Welcome to the ICANN Center, where independence begins with access.
I'm Kit. I'm a library assistant 2 working in the OliverMcMillan ICANN Center at Central Library, and I'm here today to show you the Optelec. It's a fairly straightforward machine. Basically what it does is it takes physical media, whether it's a letter or a book or even a newspaper or magazine, and it magnifies it to make it much easier to read. To start, we hit the big red button in the middle and give it a moment to load. And pull this bottom part forward. If you need to zoom in or zoom out, depending on the prior settings, you're going to use this wheel right in the middle. Push it to the left to decrease the zoom, or push it to the right to increase it. We can also change the contrast of it by hitting the button in the middle, whether we want it just white or if that's a little harsh on the eyes. Hitting it again so it's flipped. Now say we need a different color, like white is not working. On the far left of the machine, there is another button that we can hit where it will change the colors for different contrasts, and we can cycle through, I believe, about 10 different modes. Button to the left of that wheel, if you push down on it, it can give you guidelines, which you can adjust either wider or closer to help you see exactly where you're reading at. You can also isolate those guidelines by hitting the button one more time, and once more to cycle out. If you're reading a newspaper so it's vertical instead of horizontal, there is a button to the upper left of that that will change your orientation. Once again, you can adjust with the wheel surrounding it and hit it again in the middle to isolate. But if you do have any additional questions, please feel free to ask us here in the ICANN Center. Have a great day.